Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for your first timer. It's your boy Huggy here, heading out to a benefit ride for some cancer children at the Alabama Children's Hospital. Stopping to get gas first. Actually, I'm not gonna go to Buc-ee's. It's I didn't look up to see how long the actual ride is, so just gonna gas up before I get there. Alright, before we take a walk over there, look at some of these cars going around doing some laps. Just wanted to show you guys I got the old man set up for the ride today. The Mustang seat with the backrest. The flag. Got the flag going, got the whole old man set up. But you gotta check this out. If you see my other video, I took the badges off. I couldn't find anything, so the ones that were gonna work did work, and then I got back online. So I got an eBay and I got some $10 decals, and I absolutely love the way they look. Let me come to the side of the bike, kind of get away from or get on the other side with the sun. Yeah, check out how they came out. I actually love it. I think it looks awesome. For 10 bucks, I'll take it. All right, let's go check out these cars. All right, so I'm walking over here now. Not really sure what's going on or what the story is behind this lady in the pond, but if anybody knows, let me know in the comments. I got a cool bear in the woods. A statue. Now, if there's not an event going on, the cars still go. They do practice runs. So if the track's hot and somebody's running, you can stand on these footbridges. So if you're in the museum, you can see the cars going around. You can also walk out of the museum and go along these like fan zone bridges, and you can just stand there and watch all the cars go by. Well, I'm on the other side. Tell you what, not a bad way to spend a Saturday. I almost don't even want to go to the ride now. I just want to hang out at the track. I'm gonna walk back though. I don't know what's going on over here. I couldn't even hear if the bike started up with all that noise going on. So let me walk back, see what's going on. I think there's gonna be a lunch, and I'll get you guys caught up when I get back over there if anything's going on. Thanks for hanging out. Once again, like and subscribe. It's your boy Huggy, coming to you from the Barber Vintage Motorcycle Music. Oh yeah. So I'm a huge fan, obviously HUGGIEMOTO. I just love things with it. I love it. I'm so glad I came out for this. I mean, even though they got us going slow and all, but still, it's still pretty cool. You can't see it, but it's got me smiling. If you haven't already, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe. HUGGIEMOTO. You never know what the heck I'm gonna bring out on these videos. Oh, see, there's where you can watch the races up there. There's people up there. Those are some of the family. This is actually my first time doing it, so it kind of makes me appreciate the dudes that come around this thing hauling on them sport bikes. It will be kind of fun to come through here with some leathers on, not really I have to worry too much about leaving your skin behind. But if you were just interested in the racetrack and you came up, you can stand up there and it's, I remember earlier I was saying it's clear, that you can look down and watch the cars go by. Motorbikes, they got the Moto America GT events here. I want to lean it hard in some of these turns, but there's so many people here and spectators from the other spot. This is like the last place you want to take an L. I would never, I'd sell my bike and just be like, I'm done. Actually kind of I was thinking I would like to have a Dyna for this, but I'm actually just enjoying just cruising around here on the Fat Boy. I don't know, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. What bike would you like to take for some cruise laps around this track? definitely would want more lean angle, especially if I was actually running around this, obviously. But even just cruising at this slow, like parade lap, I mean, we're doing I know we're doing like 50, 40, 50. Guy behind me's running 2 up. I can't believe how many times they're letting us go around this thing. This is crazy. I'm actually surprised we're still out here. I figured it'd just be one like slow little lap, wave to the kids and get moving, get out of here. We got cars to run. They're actually let us go a couple times. Like I said, I'll tell you what, not a bad way to spend a Saturday. Come on, Huggy, get some, boy. Tower, probably as fast as we've gotten is up to maybe 60, which is probably good because we don't know what the hell we're doing here. Keep it safe. They don't need us trying to come through. They told us in the briefing, they were like, no lagging behind so you can accelerate, no slingshot. Of course, you leave us out here too long, then we get used to it. Now we can't help ourselves. Alright, so if you fast forwarded to this point, HUGGIEMOTO coming at you, Barber Motorsports Park, Birmingham, Alabama. We're doing a couple laps. was awesome. I know in the video, sometimes your things are, you know, when you're riding, they're a lot more fun than they come across on the video. But that was cool. Stalling out. Come on, old girl. Treat me good. What if I gotta have my phone on that whole time? Well, that might be cool. I can't wait to actually see that.